Well, this segment is brought to you by Mynx Softwares. This is interesting. They just launched what they call MYCA 500, which is apparently this game-changing electronic medical record system that's really designed to streamline workflows, improve patient care, and boost efficiency. So joining us now are co-founders, Dr. Niaz and Abhishek Srivastava. Welcome to both of you. Okay, this is fascinating. Dr. Niaz, let's start with you. It sounds like you really kind of noticed this challenge in the healthcare system that then inspired you to create MYCA 500.
Right, most of the doctors, they're always complaining about having too many paperworks. You know, they're always busy doing a lot of paperwork. And they also hear about the outdated system, you know, not good enough for them how to manage their practices. And also, their supporting system, you know, they have to wait a long time to get any help from the other EMR systems. So I've been thinking about it, how to create something very helpful for the doctors, make it more efficient, and they can focus on their work, what they're good at, which is treating patients.
Exactly. We want the doctors to be able to focus on that original work. It makes so much sense. How is this different from other systems that are out there?
That's a great question. Most of the EMR is out there. I know that doctors are using it, but they're always having issues with how to use it. So this is a very user-friendly. I would say it's very customizable, so they can create the notes they are working on, and they can wish to use in front of their patients. That's one of the big points. And also, we are able to, in our practice, which is Accident Center of Texas, we are able to automate our billing system, and then also a different scheduling system, things like that, which are able to save a lot of money and time so we can grow our practice. So this is definitely, it's a game changer with the EMR.
Big things are happening for you. Okay, Abhishek, let's talk about your plans for 2025, specifically for MYCA 500.
We are coming up with a lot of promotional plans because our target is to get near about 250 clients this year. For that, we have already set up our office in downtown Dallas. Now, in this quarter, we are also coming up with 4 more offices. One would be in New York, that is in Rockefeller Center. One we are doing in Seattle. One we are doing in San Francisco. Our idea is to give as many promotions as we can to kind of get the traction from near about 250-300 clinic this year.
We touched on it a little bit, but why is MYCA 500 better than some of these other systems that already exist?
First, we don't have no ticketing system. Generally, for any EMR, what you have is like we have used 7-8 EMRs in the past. Like whenever we have some request, like even a basic request of a soap changing or anything like that, we have to write a ticket and then they'll respond about it. Okay. It takes time. And in MYCA, you don't have to do that. Our engineers are available 24/7. You just make the call, they'll do it then and there. Plus, we also have a support team who's gonna help with the operational flow of the company. Another thing is we got billing integrated. So if your doctors are good enough to put the ICD, we got it to put the CPTs. Another thing, couple of automations are there, but the best part is the AI, the artificial intelligence boss that we create, Ariel. That's the best. So with that, it acts like a manager. It can give you like reports that you ask for. So for example, if you're asking how many patients did we see, it's gonna ask you, hey, Dr. Niaz, we saw 20 patients today, or if you ask for a month or for a year. So that probably can ease the job of management.
And how are you handling cybersecurity with this?
HIPAA is very keen on being very compliant. And as of now, we're dealing with, I believe, 65,000 pharmacies integrated on our portal. Then all the referral networks, then all the doctor networks. So yeah, our portal is HIPAA compliant. All the data is end-to-end encrypted. Even we cannot read it. The company website is mynxsoftwares.com. MYCA 500 is the product website.
Excellent, I love it, and thank you both for coming in. And I will remind everybody that if they didn't catch those websites, we will of course link that information up on our website, cw33.com. And we thank Mynx Software for sponsoring this segment.